Hello, remote guys, remote audio guys. This is a quick DIY video on a hands-free example for the Zoom F8 and the Zoom F8 app on an iPhone 6. I was having crazy issues trying to use this phone and app in the field, dropping it, losing it in the bag, not having a way really to stick it to the bag or around the bag so I could view it or change settings. So I kind of, I thought I'd get a little creative. So I went and found one of these hands-free magnetic on one side, stick on the other side, articulating stands for cars, for hands-free in cars, of which I found, well, here, let me just show you how it kind of looks. So here's mixer mode. Go into main mode, turn it up there if you want. It's great. If you want to solo or PFL anything in this, I don't know if that's getting all blurry, but anyway, so you can change. I'm not going to get into the app, but you can see you can easily get into parameters, no problem. And there's the mixer mode again. And there you go. Anyway, so the way it works is there's that little articulating, see the magnetic on the left-hand side, and on the right-hand side it sticks to the iPhone case right there, as you can see. And there's the piece of metal there in the back, but it really is quite rigid, but it's actually, you can get it off as well. By putting this piece of metal in here, I've actually created a second compartment, so I can put, here's the battery for the iPhone. If I need to, if the battery level is getting low, I can just charge it up that way. The bag, the Orca bag, had already a Velcro strip on it, so I put a couple little Velcro strips on this piece of metal, which keeps it stable. So this is all it is, really. So I just had to cut that out and put a little bend in it, and there it is. Anyway, works really well. Pretty happy with it. Have a good day.